Hey guys, H&RE42 coming to you with a real quick ammo update from Walmart. Today is March the 7th. It is Friday morning. Just got back from Walmart. Saw in my area that these Federal 550 value packs, 22 LR, was coming in to about 4 stores within like a 15-20 mile radius. I was really shocked, but it was pretty awesome. So I got there, I was actually second in line. Picked those up. They come in at good Walmart everyday low prices, $23.97 a piece. Checkout time 7:13 this morning. So, yep, pretty awesome. Don't know if it could get much better, but actually, it got just a little better. Twice as better. Brought my wife in with me, listening to Jack AmmoUpYourAss. And kind of listening how he brings his wife. Scored some ammo. My wife shoots a ton of 22 long rifle. I'd put money on her against most YouTube guys at the range. She's pretty lethal with the Walther P22. Her receipt come in, of course, same price, $23.97 a box. Her checkout time was 7:15 this morning. So, one hell of an ammo score. Score 1 for me. Pistol Pete, other southern guys, hold tight. Bulk ammo's on the way. It's in the Kentucky bluegrass right now. It'll be on its way down to y'all. Thanks for watching. See you around, fellas.